Welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be focusing on the inequality 5n-4 is less than 16. We will go through the steps to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's dive in and begin solving this inequality together. Step 1. Our inequality is 5n-4 is less than 16. To solve this, we need to isolate the variable n on one side of the inequality sign. This means we need to get n by itself. The first step is to get rid of the -4 that is subtracted from the 5n. We can do this by adding 4 to both sides of the inequality. The left side of the inequality, 5n-4, becomes 5n because -4 plus 4 equals 0. The right side of the inequality, 16, becomes 20 because 16 plus 4 equals 20. So now our inequality is 5n is less than 20. It is important to note that by adding or subtracting the same number from both sides of the inequality, the direction of the inequality sign does not change. Therefore, our inequality has been altered from 5n-4 is less than 16 to 5n is less than 20. In inequality notation, we write this as 5n is less than 20. In interval notation, this translates to the set of all n values from -infinity to 4, not including 4. In mathematical terms, we write this as open interval -infinity to 4. This concludes step 1. Step 2. Now we have the inequality 5n is less than 20. Our next goal is to isolate n completely, meaning we need to get n by itself. To do this, we need to divide both sides of the inequality by 5 because 5n means 5 times n. Dividing by 5 will cancel out the 5 on the left side, leaving n by itself. When we divide the left side, 5n by 5, we're left with n. On the right side, when we divide 20 by 5, we're left with 4. So our inequality now becomes n is less than 4. It is important to remember that dividing both sides of the inequality by a positive number, in this case 5, does not change the direction of the inequality sign. So after dividing both sides by 5, our inequality has changed from 5n is less than 20 to n is less than 4. In inequality notation, we write this as n is less than 4. In interval notation, this translates to the set of all n values from -infinity to 4, not including 4. In mathematical terms, we describe this as the set of all numbers less than 4. This concludes step 2, which is also our final step. The inequality n is less than 4 is our solution. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.